Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devina and in today's video I will be sharing with you my 4-step shower routine. Now this is a very super easy and simple shower routine which I follow on a regular basis, and trust me when I tell you this, your skin will absolutely love you when you follow this. Now this video is in collaboration with Foxy. Now if you don't know what Foxy is, Foxy Famous is actually an app. It's actually a beauty platform where beauty influencers are able to connect with the savvy shoppers and the top brands in the market. Also, whenever you shop on Foxy, you will be getting amazing deals, and also with every purchase you are able to get a surprise gift. So it is actually a great thing that with every single purchase you definitely get a surprise gift from Foxy's end. So that's really amazing and you should definitely check out that particular app. I will be listing all of the details about this app in the description box down below. Do check it out. And now let's get started with this particular video. Now we generally take a lot of care about our face. We apply so many different products on our face like face wash, cleanser, scrub, toner, moisturizer, serum and whatnot. But we always tend to neglect the skin of our body. Now taking care of the skin of our body is as much as important as of our face. You should definitely start taking care of your body skin as well, or else it will be very late when you realize it and then you won't be able to change it. Hence today I will be sharing you my very easy 4-step skincare routine, and by following this you will be able to achieve the skin that you absolutely love. Now starting with the first one is of course a shower gel. Now the one that I love using is this one. This is the Mom's Co Natural Body Wash, and this is a coconut based cleanser with ginger essential oil and pro vitamin B5. Now the way I like applying this particular one is with a loofah. Now they also say that you can skip a loofah, but I would actually tell you to use a loofah because that is the best way to use a shower gel. Now this one lathers really well. It foams up on the loofah and then you can apply it on your body and your body feels so refreshed, so good and so smooth after you have applied this particular shower gel. Now the reason why I'm recommending this one to you rather than all of the other shower gels that are available in the market is because this is a natural body wash. This is all natural product and doesn't have any paraben or harmful chemicals. So something that you are applying on your body every single day, you should make sure that it is free from the harmful chemicals. Another thing which I absolutely love about this particular product is its smell. Its smell is so refreshing and it's so citrusy. So basically when you apply this shower gel first thing in the morning, then you will literally feel so refreshed, so energetic and ready for the day. Also after a hard day of work, when you come back home and you apply this particular shower gel, the smell of this actually calms you down so nicely and you feel so refreshed when you particularly use this one. Also I won't say that this is very affordable. This one retails for 348 rupees and you get 200 ml of product, though it will last for some time, but still it is a little steep for a shower gel, but still the benefits of this product is really good. Hence I would actually recommend you invest in this one. It is an amazing product and you should definitely give it a try. So the second step in this particular routine is scrubbing. Now scrubbing is also really important because scrubbing really helps to exfoliate your skin and achieve that bright, glowing and softer skin. It removes the dead cells from the surface of your skin and also helps to remove the tan from your body, which is a concern of most females out there. So definitely scrubbing is very important. Also I do not recommend you to scrub scrub your body every single day. So I will recommend you to do scrubbing only 2 to 3 times in a week. So on the days when you have some extra time in the shower, you can go ahead and do the scrubbing. Now I will be linking down some of my favorite scrub in the description box down below. Do check it out. All of those scrubs are one of my favorites and they really help in removing tan from your body. Now the third step in this particular routine is a moisturizer. Now what we usually feel is moisturizer is something which is only needed for the winter and we completely neglect it in the summer or the monsoon time. But moisturizer is also very important in this particular time as well, because it provides your skin with the nourishment that it needs. So you should never ever skip a moisturizer. Now the body lotion that I will be recommending you is this one. This is the St. Ivy's Renewing Collagen and Elastin Body Lotion. Now the reason why I am recommending this one is because this is all natural again. It is free from paraben, it is dermatologically tested. It has a non-greasy formula and absorbs into your skin really quickly. So this one is perfect if you are looking for a moisturizer that you need in your monsoon time or in your summer time. Because in monsoon and summers we do not prefer that heavy moisturizer. So that is the reason I am recommending you this one. Now this is white in color and it absorbs into your skin so quickly and your skin feels so good and so refreshed. It actually makes your skin so glowing and supple and soft on regular use. Also, another good part about this one is that it comes with a pump packaging, of course, love the packaging. And another thing is that it is very affordable. You get a quantity of 621 ml and the price of this particular product is 649 rupees. So yes, this is my recommendation if you are looking for a body lotion which is right for the monsoon or the summer. So the fourth step in this particular routine is definitely a body mist. Now I absolutely love using body mist. So once I'm done with the lotion, I go ahead and apply body mist all over my body. It basically helps me to feel very refreshed and also makes me smell good all throughout. So I will be again listing some of my favorite, absolute favorite body mist in the description box down below. Do check them out again. Also, in my personal opinion, when I put my body mist over my lotion, I feel that it kind of lasts longer. So that is my personal opinion. I'm not very sure about it, but that is what I like doing. And that's it guys. This was my very simple, very easy 4-step shower routine. And also all of the products that I mentioned in this particular video is available on Foxy. Definitely check that particular app out. And that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.